welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. It means a lot. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Edge, and what we'll be doing, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the windshield washer reservoir. That procedure actually should help you on Lincoln MKX, since both of the vehicles share the same platform and the same parts. Now, let me introduce you guys and tell you that we'll have more than 200 videos on a Ford Edge, guys. So please subscribe to the channel. Our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. All the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Okay, so let's go ahead and start on removing and replacing the windshield washer reservoir here and the windshield washer pump. So if you have a cracked reservoir or not working pump, this video is the correct video for you. Let's start on it now. First thing what we'll need to do, we'll need to remove the fender liner. So we'll go ahead, start on the process, and we'll explain what needs to be done. So next we need to jack the front right side of the vehicle up, and by doing that we need to remove the wheel. Okay, now you can remove the fender liner, the whole fender liner, or what we'll try to do, just remove a few clips so we can fold it and actually access the crankshaft. Okay, first to align everything, but I would recommend just to go ahead and remove the whole fender liner so it's not in the way. Okay, let's see if those clips sometimes will not come out. If they're stuck really bad, use that spray, guys. This thing is amazing, one of the best sprays on the market. I'll just go ahead and spray a little bit, okay, on the clip. Okay, where they get in each other. A little bit on this one here. Okay, let's see if they're going to come out now. Perfect, watch now, otherwise you're going to break those, guys, because they get stuck so bad. If they still don't come out, just move them a little bit and spray so it can penetrate on the inside. But check out, this thing is, I'm telling you, this is the best penetrating spray in Interform right here. Thin Super, check it out. It's a multi-purpose spray that will be listed in the description of the video below. So this is a 732 socket. Okay, underneath we have a screw that we need to remove. 3 of them actually. Two of them. Okay, we need to remove those two screws. After that, we need to come with the same tool and start removing here as well. Okay, this one is broken there, you can see, so we remove it, but some on the back side here. Now the clips, guys, okay, those clips, if they get stuck, check out how easy those things come out. We use special spray, lubricating penetrating spray, so we'll show you what it is on the next clips. You need to pull the centerpiece out and then pull the whole clip as well. Now check out, I'm talking about these clips right here. If you try to pull them out, usually, okay, they will break. So if you use some Interphone spray, check it out in the description of the video. This is the best spray that we've used, European formula here. Okay, really good one. So I'm going to just spray a little bit on the clips. Okay, this one here as well. Okay, and you can see how easy they come out. Try to spray between both pieces. That way it can penetrate. Okay, check this thing out now. Without the spray, you're going to break it. Okay, and if you spray a little bit of spray, just 1 second, guys, and that thing is amazing. I'm telling you, this is the best thing that we purchased for our shop to save us a little bit time on labor and parts. Okay, right here we have one more that I forgot to spray. Okay, the one down there now. Perfect. Right here we have one more screw that we need to remove, and here we have one more clip towards the top. Okay, this one is not gonna come out, so let's just apply a little bit of spray between both parts. Okay, perfect. Let's see now. You can see it came out. Let's see if anything else is holding now. I think we should be able to pull it out. So, okay, check out all the stuff that came out here, dirt. And I don't know, whatever else has been stuck there during the years. So underneath it looks like we have one more clip. Okay, right there, in the corner. So this clip is down there. Always use jack stand and throw the tire under the vehicle, so if something goes terribly wrong, it's not going to smash you underneath. Okay, perfect, this one came out now. So I don't think anything else is holding that fender liner. Let's check it out now. I think we have enough to plant a few trees here. Check it out. And some here on the front as well. Okay, that piece came out, guys, just like that. So you can see that we removed quite a few things. This is because actually we're doing a cylinder head replacement, we have timing chain replacement, quite a few videos, as I said, guys. Now the only thing here missing is the coolant overflow bottle, that tank. But don't need to worry about that one. All you have to do is just remove that bolt here, and once you remove, okay, the fender liner, you come underneath, okay, and this is your windshield washer, reservoir and pump. Now, if you need to replace, okay, the pump only, guys, okay, the pump only, we'll explain what needs to be done. So first what we'll do, guys, okay, we're going to drain all the windshield washer fluid so we don't make a mess, and we'll do that by disconnecting the washer pump, okay, from the reservoir. Okay, we'll just disconnect that wire there by pushing in on that notch and pull it out. Now it's important, guys, how we disconnect that pump so we don't break anything. Okay, right here we have a couple hoses, you can see these hoses, and I want to see if they'll start moving or not, because you have to be extremely careful not to break in, because everything you break later you have to replace. Okay, it's not going to leak out because the pump is not running actually, so it will leak out only when we remove the pump, okay, from the tank itself. So let's see if we can remove that back hose now. Okay, this one is running now. We'll start collecting it. Okay, and what we'll do, we'll just go ahead and pull the pump out now. Okay, we have to make sure that it's going to come out. It has a seal. And you can see how fast that thing came out. So we'll just let it drain now. Okay, now we have two nuts, guys, that we need to remove. Okay, one is towards there. And we have one more over here you can see that nut that we'll need to take care of. So those, they tend to be really rusty sometimes. So we probably should have sprayed them with something, okay, to be honest with you. Okay, so eventually we'll pull that nut out. Okay, we dropped it in the bucket. Now we have one more here that we need to remove. Okay, you can see there was some surface rust on those nuts. That's normal. The vehicle doesn't have any rust, you can see, but some nuts and bolts will develop eventually a little bit of rust. Okay, so we'll pull that thing out. Okay, this way. Now right here on the front, guys, there is a wire, okay? A wire that you need to disconnect for the level, okay, for the level of the fluid. So we disconnected this one, okay, and now let's see if we can pull that thing out somehow. If we'll be able to without removing headlights or anything else like that. We'll remove the headlight bulb here, so it's not in the way. Okay, and we're going to attempt, okay, to pull the thing out, turn it a little bit left and right. Okay, it will come out, but one person just needs to stretch the bumper a little bit. Okay, and we're almost out. Just a little bit more, you can see right here on the bottom holding. Let's see what's happening on top to make sure we don't break anything. We don't, everything looks good. So it will come out. We just have to grab it, okay, like that, guys. And the whole washer reservoir came out like that, you can see. So you can see, guys, this is the level sensor that we disconnected on the front. Okay, let me show you the wire quick. Okay, it's the wire is this one right here. Okay, and this wire, just press down and pull it up. Okay, like that. We disconnected. So that's how you remove it. You can check out the replacement parts. We'll have them listed in the description of the video below, guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.